let me go with Dr. Raj Manohar, so that we will. I give a brief about this College of Avian College of Poultry Production and Management. When the Honorable Chief Minister, late Jayalalitha Madam, was there, the founder director Murugan sir, they came to my institute for the planning stage. I'm feeling very happy that I was one of the planning stage member for the College of Poultry Production and Management in Hosur, beautifully located in an 80 acres campus, so nicely designed. I think one of the architectural discovery, I would say, the chief architect came to our institute. I took them to Indian Institute of Management, Bangalore, where I graduated. So we took them to many institutes in architecturally, like National Institute of Advanced Studies in Bangalore. So that is the beginning of the institute. I said, create such a facility that it should last another 150 years, because we should not create another colleges. The facility should be trend setting. So with this background, I would invite the principal in charge or the head in charge right now on behalf of Dr. Shamsuddin, Dr. Raj Manohar, who is heading presently the College of Poultry Production Management. All over to Dr. Raj Manohar.
Good afternoon, everybody present here. On behalf of our Dean, College of Poultry Production Management, I would like to brief our college. That's a CPPM Hosur. It's a constituent of Chanavas. Actually, College of Poultry Production Management is located at Hosur. Total area is around 80 acres. It's near to Bangalore, about 40 kilometers from Bangalore. It's a constituent of Tamil Nadu Veterinary Animal Sciences University. Actually, the college was started in the year 2011 and 12. And this slide explains about the genesis of our institute. College of Poultry Production Management, it has been established as per the government of Tamil Nadu, as I have given the order, as a SAR, as our moderator Dr. Mahesh has already pointed out. It was inaugurated under the leadership of our Honorable Chief Minister, former Chief Minister. And the main mandate of the college is to produce technocrats with sound skills in poultry engineering, management, and poultry processing and technology. Basically, with the introduction of mechanization, use of electronic gadgets and environmentally controlled poultry sheds nowadays, there is actually a great need for the industry to depend on engineers. The poultry industry at present needs what is the technocrats with adequate engineering knowledge. And our college, Poultry Production Management, it has been approved by AICTE and a Board of Technical Education. And objectives of the institute is to offer academic programs of excellence in poultry production and management. Secondly, to take up need-based research programs for the poultry industry. Followed by to create strong interlinkages between entrepreneurs of poultry industry and the institute through the technology dissemination and adoption. This is the prime thing. What are the courses we offer from 2011-12 onwards? It's a 4 years professional degree program, BTech Poultry Technology. And we also started the master degree MTech in Poultry Technology last year from 2019-20 onwards. Presently, 3 students are studying. Total intake is 3 students for MTech, and for BTech from 2017-18 onwards, total intake is around 40 students. This is a basic pattern of education. It's a semester course credit system. Eligibility is 12 with eligibility of subjects like maths and biology. The minimum requirement of the marks and reservations are as per the norms fixed by our government of Tamil Nadu. This is a general course-based distribution on poultry management. We're offering a number, nearly about 14 courses, followed by poultry technology and poultry engineering, poultry business management, poultry skill development, non-credit courses like NSS activities and physical education. Unit features about this curriculum is mainly to design, to have exposure to the students at the maximum to the, based on the industry needs. And we also have an industrial training program for once full semesters during the final year, along with the academic evaluation pattern. And technocrats, administrators from poultry industry, successful breeders, poultry growers, and entrepreneurs were regularly invited for delivering this lecture on various aspects of poultry productive activity. We also separate departments of one is on poultry management, and another one is a department of poultry technology. Third one is on department of poultry engineering, and fourth one is on department of poultry business management. This slide is about the infrastructures available at our CPP campus. We have engineering complex and technology complex with the state-of-the-art classrooms, laboratories for these BTech students. We also well established poultry farm complex, which serves for instruction purpose, even for extension and research purpose for the postgraduate students who've been coming from veterinary colleges. Separate state-of-the-art hostel with excellent facilities for boys and girls. First, to have a comfortable stay in student-friendly and eco-friendly atmosphere. We also have a feed mill facility. So the production capacity of 2 tons per hour to produce quality livestock and also the quality feed at an affordable price. There is also well established feed analytical and quality testing laboratory. Serves as an instructional facility for the students have hands-on training. About the library, we have more than 3,500 books. E-library facilities are available. Books will be, we have different fields, not only poultry-oriented courses related subjects, but also the engineering, mathematics, and other basic sciences books are also available. And a subscription about around 61 national and international journals, both the in-print and e-journals are available here. We're following this RFID, radio frequency identification technology for document identification, and library security system being implemented for various activities in the library. But the classrooms are small classrooms a day and a seminar room with 100 seating capacity. We also have boardrooms connected for official meetings with the 50 seating capacity. Different laboratories, I'll show the photographs will coming in the next slides, and a laboratory with the poultry meat and egg processing. Again, meat quality control laboratory and poultry management and nutrition laboratory and quality control laboratory is available. There's also a separate laboratory for civil, electrical, electronics and mechanical engineering along with the computer laboratory. With regard to the role of our faculties, our college offer confidential and free professional one-on-one counseling through faculty board counselors and also psychological support for the students to realize the potential and maximize the benefit from the college. And student health center is there, one medical officer frequently visiting twice in a week for ensuring health checkup of both the students and staff at the college. More important and widely important to say, our college is also MOU, Memorandum of Understanding, with a multinational poultry organization, CP Feeds India Limited, Private Limited, for providing employment to the students. Scholarships we are providing is also available in form of origin welfare and backward class scholarships, central government and state government scholarships, and also scholarships from other agents and financial assistance from Tamil Nadu Agricultural Laborers Farmers Scheme are available for deserving candidates. The photos are showing various sports availabilities at our campus. With regards to poultry farm complex, we have a different units rating species of poultry, starting like birds like we have like Kadaknath and Azil. And under the Poultry project, we have Vanarajan Gramapriya, and we also have the stock of Japanese bear. And these are the research programs operating under various funded agencies, still funded agencies. Number one is Poultry project, where we used to supply the Vanarajan Gramapriya devil chicks to the needy farmers. Nearly about more than 1 lakh chicks are being distributed to the needy farming community. And we also have established the Tanua Smart Mineral Mixture Production Center. Nearly about 90,000 kgs of mineral mixture was being supplied and distributed to Salem, Krishnagiri, and other parts of Tamil Nadu. We also established the free testing laboratory under the National Livestock Mission Scheme. Main objective motto was to analyze the nutrient profile, contaminants, adulterants in livestock feed, if any, as well as to counsel the farmers accordingly. We have different revolving fund schemes at our institute. So we have Jack Square and Kadaknath and Azil. So every week we take hatch, we'll be generating and distributing around 500 to 1,000 chicks, 1,000 Azil chicks, and 500 chicks are being generated and distributed to the needy farmers. Another scheme under NABARD, we also popularize the normative chicken one to rural households of Krishnagiri district for additional revenue generation. Just we have made a capacity building training on backyard poultry area, which has been given to 300 rural women beneficiaries, including self-help groups and around 1,000, more than 1,000 numbers of normal chicken birds were distributed along the field at free of cost to around 120 rural women beneficiaries of Krishna district. There's also major feed manufacturing unit operating at our campus at the rate of 2 tons per hour. We're able to produce the labor livestock feed and poultry feed. We're distributing to the needy farming community. And we have nearly about more than 20 sheds, poultry sheds. Some sheds we are operating, we are having different species of poultry. We are maintaining Kadaknath, Azil, Vanaraja Gramapriya, fancy breeds like Polish cap of white and black. We also have the Nicobari and also white, and the 3 sheds mainly to carry out the research program, master's degree research program. Total shed area is around 5,271 square meters. We also have village adoption program. So our college adapted 2 villages and has conducted several awareness program trainings, medical and veterinary health camps through participation of school students, self-help groups, and also with the local public and various departments. With regard to employment opportunities, the students at the end of 4th year, before going for the industrial training program, we will have a campus interview. There is 100% student employment since right now. So all the BTech poultry technology students were placed in various reputed poultry organizations as a technical executives. We also regularly, the students are being taken for all this study tour for a duration of 2 weeks. They have exposure to visit various government and corporate poultry institutions, and also they interact with the respective scientists. This cluster of photographs will give you a clear idea. One is about the photograph listed about the campus issue, and one is about the cultural activity. And other photo show the students are involved in exposure visit. And bottom photos will the activities of normally the review activities carried out by our Honorable Pro Chancellor, Minister, who visited last year to our college form. These are the photos depicting about the students' industrial visit to various areas of Tamil Nadu and also South India tour. They also used to have a regularly participating in international poultry exhibition. These are the guest lectures by various poultry corporates. Right now we have 6 classrooms, and this is all the various blocks. Okay, administrative block, engineering block, technology block, as is the boys first, along with that kitchen dining facilities, and quarters technical staff, and also for non-teaching staff, feed mill complex, technology complex, and with all the hostel amenities like provision of RO water purification and solar water heating systems, with installation of CCTV cameras in all the areas. Mainly to conclude, our College of Poultry Production Management, it offers academic program of excellence so as to meet the future trend in poultry industry. Actually, a step forward towards institutional industry linkage in a big way, and it's been poised to produce the candidates being technocrats, poultry engineers, and business managers, the poultry industry. Lastly, to create a stronger inter and interlinkages between entrepreneurs of poultry industry and the institute. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.